Hey there! In this video, we'll see how to set up the CNC profiling wheels from Marmo Electromechanica in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Ensure that the tool holders you are utilizing are all the same. Or in other words, they are all part of the same line and series. Since all the positions in every kit are fully aligned on the height and z-axis. This is due to the fact that we are the only company that produces all positions internally, therefore we can regulate the tool heights. Step 2. Make sure the tools are mounted on the tool holders correctly. Please make sure that the tool orientation is accurate on the tools with the 22mm and 35mm bore fittings. As a result, the spacers ought to be on top. Step 3. Make sure you are utilizing the minimal parameters listed on the technical data sheet at the beginning. You can eventually raise the feed rate and RPM as the diamonds start to open up. Keep in mind to deactivate the rubber polisher's dynamic radial compensation and maintain a stock removal of 0. Remember to keep the height of the tools equal. Step 4. Find the optimal working height for your CNC by moving the last metallic tool toward your workpiece while using the manual controller. Read the z-axis coordination and apply it to all other positions of the kit. This height will apply to the entire set, as well as any replacement tools you might buy for this set in the future. Please be aware that you won't need any measuring or presetting tools for our tools, because we have already set them all to the same height for you to make your job easier. Please get in touch with us or our agent in your area if you have any additional questions, so we can assist you with the installation.